Hi, girls! Welcome to my magic art class. I am Princess Annabella, and today we have a very special guest. It's Elsa. She needs an icy, spectacular new gown for the winter ball. Let's design the most beautiful Frozen dress together.
Ooh, yeah! Enchanted castle where the magic...
Drawing.
Yay!
First, let's sketch the elegant top part. Now, look at these big, fluffy ice layers on the skirt. 1, 2, 3. 4 layers of pure winter magic. It looks like a beautiful frozen waterfall. Coloring.
Yay!
Blue.
Yay!
Now, let's paint it with my favorite ice blue color. Wow, it's so bright! Glitter. Let's activate the snowflake glow. Look, girls. It's starting to shine and sparkle like real ice diamonds. So magical. Dress up. Are you ready for the ultimate winter magic? Girls, let's use our princess powers. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, look at Elsa. She is wearing the real dress with beautiful snowflakes and shiny pearls. She looks absolutely breathtaking. Elsa loves her new ice magic gown. Thank you for drawing with me today. Girls, don't let the magic freeze. Click on the next video right now to see more beautiful princess dress-up stories on our channel. Bye-bye.